Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video we discussed 1 to 5 questions, no ma? In this video we are going to discuss the questions from 6 onwards. Let us say that 6th question, what they given? In a class there are x girls and x plus 40 boys. X girls and x number of girls and x plus 40 boys are there. If the total strength of the class, total number of students in a class is 220. Then we need to find that, then the number of boys we need to find out. Okay, as per this one, what they given here? Given that total number of students in a class. Total number of students in a class, which is equals to 220 members are there total. Overall, we have that 220 students are there. Okay, out of the 220 here, number of girls. How many girls are there, ma'am? X. And here number of boys. How many boys are there? X plus 40 boys are there. X plus 40. Okay, now as per this one, we need to find that a number of boys only, no? So by the problem, what they given here? Number of girls plus number of boys totally is equals to 220. Understand, ma? So number of girls x and here x plus 40. So x plus x is equal to 2x plus 40, which is equals to 220. Understand? From this one, 2x is equals to 220 minus 40. Why? Because here plus 40 is there, no? While you are transposing plus 40 from LHS to RHS, we are having here minus 40. Then here 2x is equal to 220 minus 40, which is equals to 180. 20 minus 20. Okay, 0, and here 200 minus 20, 180. Okay, ma. Next, x is equals to here 180 by 2. 2 ones and here 2 90s. Then here finally x is equals to 90. Finally, x is equal to 90. Now here number of girls, therefore number of girls x only, no? So x is equal to 90 girls are there. Understand? Now here number of boys we need to find out. Number of boys, which is equals to x plus 40 only, no? Number of boys is equal to x plus 40. Okay. Then here 90 plus 40, which is equals to 130 boys are there in a class. 90 girls are there, 130 boys are there in a class. Understand, ma? Yes. Then here which option is correct? 130, option A is correct. Okay. Next one. 7th one, say that Rama had A minus 20 number of books. A minus 20. Okay. A minus 20, that is one of the number of books. And Krishna had B minus 10 number of books. If both had equal and number of books of a value is 40. Okay, both had that same number of books and they given that the value of A is 40. Then the total number of books with them we need to find out. Understand? See here, by the problem, A minus 20 books there with Rama. Okay, number of books there with Rama, which is equals to number of books there with Krishna, B minus 10. Understand? And here if both had that equal number of books, understand, ma? And here the value of A is 40. Directly write it. If A is equal to 40, then here 40 minus 20 is equal to B minus 10. Understand, ma? Now here 40 minus 20, which is equals to 20, is equal to B minus 10. Okay. 20 minus 10 becomes as plus 10, which is equals to B. Finally here B is equal to 30. Finally here B is equal to 30. Understand? Now here what they asked, number of books there with Rama and number of books there with Krishna they asked. Okay, those two also same number of books only, no? Now here number of books there with Rama. Rama, how many books ma? A minus 20. A minus 20 means here 40 minus 20, which is equals to 20 books. Rama has here 20 books. And here Krishna. Okay, number of books there with Krishna. Here B minus 10, which is equals to, B is equal to 30. So 30 minus 10 is equal to 20. Finally, those two persons also has here, those two persons also having here how many books ma? 20 books. Each person is having that, total number of books there with them, they are asking, no? Then the total number of books with them, total number of books. So finally here total 20 plus 20, which is equals to here 40 books there with them. How many books there with them ma? Here 40 books. Each person is having here 20 books. So finally 20 and 20 here 40 books there with Rama and Krishna. Understand ma? Yes. Next, 8th question, what is that? The distance between two cities, A and B is 160 kilometers. The distance between A and B is 160 kilometers. Rama starts from A and covers A plus 20 kilometers. And Krishna covers remaining B plus 30 kilometers. If B is equal to 50 kilometers, then the distance covered by Rama. Okay. And here directly I am writing the equation, say that by the problem, what they are saying ma here, the distance between two cities is 160 kilometers. Okay. Distance between A to B is 160 kilometers. Understand? Okay. Now here what they are saying, Rama starts from A and he covers that A plus 20 kilometers. For example, here this is A to B. A to B totally here this is 160 kilometers. Totally 160 kilometers ma. The first person who is that Rama. So Rama starts from A. Rama starts from A and covers here A plus 20. So up to here let it be some A plus 20. A plus 20 kilometers covered by who is the person? Rama. Next, the remaining distance is there, no. So let it be some C here. Okay, the remaining distance is covered by Krishna. Remaining distance is covered by Krishna. How much distance ma this is? B plus 30. B plus 30 kilometers. As per this diagram here, A plus C, C plus B, this total distance is 160 kilometers. Out of 160 kilometers, some distance covered by Rama and the leftover distance covered by Krishna. Understand? Okay, yes again. These two persons covered this total distance 160 kilometers. Understand? Now here what is the distance? How much distance covered by Rama they are asking. Understand ma? Yes. As per the problem here, by the problem, A plus 20 kilometers plus B plus 30 kilometers, which is equals to here totally how many kilometers ma? 160 kilometers. Understand? So as per this one here, A plus 20 plus B plus 30, which is equals to 160. Okay. And here if they given that B is equal to 50, if B is equal to 50, then A plus 20 plus 50 plus 30, which is equals to 160. Am I clear? From this one here, A plus 50 plus 20, 70, 70 plus 30, 100, which is equals to 160. From this one, first we need to find that A value here. A is equal to 160 plus 100 become as minus 100. Okay. As per this one here, A is equal to 60. A is equal to how much ma? 60 kilometers. Now here what they are asking, then the distance covered by Rama. Since distance covered by distance covered by Rama. How much distance ma here? A plus how many kilometers he covered here? A plus 20 kilometers. A plus 20 kilometers only, no? Now here A is equal to how much we got? 60 only, right? So 60 plus 20, which is equals to 80 kilometers covered by Rama, which means half of the distance covered by Rama, the leftover half of the distance covered by Krishna. Understand, ma? So finally, what is the distance covered by Rama here? 80 kilometers covered by Rama. Understand? Yes. And ninth question, say that here. Yes. The addition of two quantities. What are those two quantities, ma, here? By the problem, which means from the problem only we are framing here equations, no? So that's why every time we have to write that by the problem or according to the problem or from the problem. Okay, these are all the words we can use here. Okay, ma, the addition of two quantities. The first quantity is 2a plus 30 and 3a. Those two quantities addition is equals to 180. Okay, then the two quantities are, okay, let us see here. 2a plus 3a, which is equals to 5a plus 30, which is equals to 180. And here 5a is equal to 180 minus 30, which is equals to 150. Then here 5a is equal to 150. From this one we need to find that a here. A is equal to 150 by 5. Understand, ma? From this one here 5 ones and 5 30s 150. Finally here a is equal to 30. Now what they are asking here? What are those two quantities? Therefore, the two quantities are what is the first quantity? 2a plus 30, which is equals to 2 into 30 plus 30. 230 60 plus 30 90. Understand, ma? What is the first quantity here? 90. What is the next quantity here? Another quantity. What is that? 3a. Another quantity 3a is equal to 3 into here a is equal to how much we got? 30. So 3 into 30, which is equals to 90. Since here what are those two quantities, ma? One of the quantity is 90, another quantity also 90 only, no? So those two quantities are 90 and 90. Those two quantities are 90 and 90. Understand? Yes. And here from this worksheet, the last question, 10th question. What is that? There were 1000 biscuits in a box. How many biscuits, ma? 1000 biscuits in a box. And here Rama took x plus 250 biscuits and Krishna took 2x plus 100 biscuits. If the biscuits remaining in the box are 500, then the number of biscuits with Rama they are asking. Okay, see here by the problem. By the problem, what is that? 1000 biscuits totally there in a box, no? So here Rama took that x plus 250 biscuits plus Krishna took 2x plus 100 biscuits and leftover 500 biscuits there left here, and totally here 1000 biscuits. Total is equals to 1000. Now simplify this. X plus 2x is equal to 3x plus 250 plus 100, 350, 350 plus 500, which is equals to 850, which is equals to 1000. Understand? As per this one here, 3x is equal to 1000 minus 850, which is equals to 150. Understand, ma? From this one x value, what is that? 3x is equals to 350, yeah? Sorry, 150. Okay, then here x is equals to 150 by 3. 3 ones and 350 is 150. Finally, here x is equal to 50. What is the value of x, ma, here? X is equal to 50. Okay, now what they are asking? Number of biscuits with Rama. Number of biscuits there with Rama. Rama, how many biscuits he taken ma here? X plus 250. X plus 250. So X is equal to here 50, no? So 50 plus 250 is equal to 300 biscuits. How many biscuits he taken here? 300 biscuits. So which option is correct here? Option C, 300 is correct. Okay children, up to here 10 questions completed. Next we are having here worksheet 6. So worksheet 6 problems we will discuss in that next video ma. Okay. So up to here totally 10 also applicative type questions completed. Understand? Okay, thank you all.